Workspace filters are the filters that will help me filter the workspace to focus on my area of work. It includes special filters and attribute filters. Special filters are pre-configured rules that filter data so that only positions that fulfill the requirements of the query are displayed in the view. Special filters can be used to validate the assortment by product and location attributes or by style color options such as new, carryover, or non-go forward. Special filters are used to affect the visible positions in the workspace view. These filters contain special rules, so I, as a planner, can focus dynamically on the information that is important to me. I'll start with the special filters. I've navigated to my Target Mix by Attributes view. Next, I will click on the funnel icon near Manage Views to open the Workspace Filters bar. I will click on the Special Filters drop-down arrow and select Filter by Selected Attributes. Then I will click on OK. Then, in the Applies to drop-down box, I will select Target Mix by Attributes. Next, I'll click on OK. The product attributes visible in columns will now only show the product attributes that were selected for that product. For example, the active status product attribute is no longer visible. My next example puts me in the Define Assortment tab and finally the Create Options view. Once again, I'll click on the funnel icon to see my options. This time I want to use the attribute filters. I'll filter by color and I will choose black. Then I will click OK. Then in the Applies to drop-down box, I will select Create Options. Then I will click on OK. I can now see only the products that are black. For both special filters and attribute filters, I can click the Save Filters drop-down arrow. Here I can enter a name for any filter I plan to use again in the future to save me time. To clear any filter, I can simply choose the drop-down arrow for any filter or attribute and click the Clear All button, and then click OK. Or I can click the Clear All icon to remove every single filter applied for any special filter or attribute in just one click.